Hello everyone. Now as we all know that what is rationalization and how to rationalize the denominator of a rational number. But in today's video we will solve a particular question based on rationalization, which is very important for your exam point of view. So let us see the question. So our question is simplify these given rational numbers. So we can see here there are three rational numbers and we have to subtract them, but all three having root number in the denominator. So first we have to rationalize each one of them individually and then we will solve it. So first take the first rational number, that is 7 root 3 by root 10 plus root 3. So we will solve it, rationalize it by multiplying and dividing it with its conjugate. So we will get 7 root 3 by root 10 plus root 3 into root 10 minus root 3 divided by root 10 minus root 3. So we have to multiply 7 root 3 with both root 10 minus root 3. So we will get 7 root 3 into root 10 minus 7 root 3 into root 3. In the denominator, we see here that it is the identity a plus b, a minus b. So we get a square minus b square as the result. So a square means root 10 square minus b square means root 3 whole square. We get 10 square, root 10 square minus root 3 square. Now on get 7 root 3 into root 10 we get root 30 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 7 into 3. In the denominator root 10 square is 10 and root 3 square is 3. So we get 10 minus 3 in the denominator. Then we have 7 as common. In the bracket we get root 30 minus 3. In the denominator 10 minus 3 is 7. Now 7 and 7 will cancel out. We get our answer as root 30 minus 3. So this is the solution number 1. So we can call it as equation 1 also. Then we will solve this second rational number, that is 2 root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5. So we will solve it by multiplying and dividing it with its conjugate. We get 2 root 5 upon root 6 plus root 5 multiplied with root 6 minus root 5 by root 6 minus root 5. Now we will multiply the numerator, that is 2 root 5 into root 6 minus 2 root 5 into root 5. In the denominator again we get a minus b and a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So we get root 6 whole square minus root 5 whole square. Solving it, we get 2 root 5 into root 6 is root 30 and 2 into root 5 is 5. And in the denominator we will get root 6 whole square, that is 6, and root 5 whole square, that is 5. 6 minus 5. Then on further solving we will take 2 as common in the numerator and in bracket we get root 30 minus 5. In the denominator we get 1. Then the final answer is 2 root 30 minus 10. We can call it as solution number 2 or equation number 2. Now we will solve the third rational number. It is 3 root 2 by root 15 plus 3 root 2. Now we will solve it by multiplying and dividing it with its conjugate. So we get 3 root 2 by root 15 plus 3 root 2 multiplied with root 15 minus 3 root 2 by root 15 minus 3 root 2. Now multiplying the numerators, we get 3 root 2 into root 15 minus 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. In the denominator we will get, again we have a plus b, a minus b. So the answer will be a square minus b square, that is root 15 whole square minus 3 root 2 whole square. On solving it we get 3 root 2 into root 15 is root 30. So we get 3 root 30 minus 3 root 2 into 3 root 2, that is 3 root 2 whole square. In the denominator, root 15 whole square is 15 and 3 root 2 whole square is 18, because 3 square, that is 3 into 3, 9, and root 2 square, that is 2. So 9 into 2 we get 18. Now solving it, we get 3 root 30 minus 18 divided by minus 3. So we will take 3 as common in the numerator. We get 3 and in the bracket root 30 minus 6. This 3 and 3 will cancel out. We get the final answer as minus root 30 plus 6, because minus sign is here outside the bracket. So when we will open the bracket, this root 30 will become minus root 30 and minus 6 will become plus 6. This is our equation number 3. So now we get the solution of all the 3 rational numbers. From equation 1, 2 and 3, we get the solution of these 3 given rational numbers as root 30 minus 3 minus in bracket 2 root 30 minus 10 minus in bracket minus 30 plus 6. Here don't forget to put the bracket because we have minus here. So when we will open the bracket, the sign will change. This is the common mistake done by most of you. You just write down the numbers directly and then you forget to change the sign inside the bracket. So now we will open the bracket. We get root 30 minus 3, then minus 2 root 30. This minus and minus will become plus 10. Then again this minus and minus will become plus 30, plus root 30, and minus plus will become minus 6. Root 30 plus root 30 will become 2 root 30, minus root 30, minus 3, minus 6, plus 10. 2 root 30 and 2 root 30 will cancel out. We get minus 3, minus 6, plus 10. This minus 3, minus 6 will become minus 9. Minus 9 plus 10, that is 1. So our answer is 1. Time for assignment. But before this, solve the question which I have done in previous slide. Do it yourself, try it, and if you have any problem, watch the video again. Then solve the given question also. First one is simplify. You are given 3 rational numbers. You will simplify them by rationalizing their denominators individually. Then second question is find A and B in the following. Here you are given 2 rational numbers. You will simplify them by rationalizing their denominators individually and then convert it in the right hand side form. And then you have to tell what is the value of A and what is the value of B after solving.